Hey everybody, Luxinda Swirl. Okay, new day, new cup project. I'm going to try a comparison. We're going to do an alcohol ink, what I call a ghost swirl. Here's the basic premise. I will link to the original one below. That was so much fun to do. I'm going to do basically the same thing, except I realize I have like a gazillion alcohol inks now. And I thought, wouldn't it be fun to sort of do a comparison and see how it turns out in an actual swirl on a cup? So I've taken these 8 from my collection of Woody's Goodies alcohol inks. And the difference is, obviously they're different colors, but they're basically a light version and a dark version of the same hue, basically. So we have a red and a pink, a purple and a light lilac, deep teal and a pale tealish green, and a dark blue and a light blue. And what I'm going to do is the first cup we're going to do today will feature the dark ones. I'm going to just put on some resin. It will be clear. It will be KS Liquid Stone, and drop these 4 inks on in various random places, and then drizzle on some white resin, which will be resin mixed with Pinata Blanco Blanco white alcohol ink. Drizzle it on, hit it with heat, tilt, switch directions on the turner, let it sit overnight, and we'll see what we get. And then tomorrow we'll come back after we see how this one turns out, and we'll do the same thing all over again, except we'll do it with the 4 light colors. And then we'll hold the 2 cups up after we're done with both and see how they look. So I'm kind of excited to see how this turns out. And I hope you are too. So I'm gonna gear up and get started. Sit back and enjoy the show. And we're back. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, oh, look at that. That turned out so pretty. No rainbow sparkle in this. I did not add any to the resin because I wanted just to do swirls. That's all I wanted in this one. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at how pretty. Oh. Absolutely love how this turned out. Really, really stunning. The purple and the blue and the teal. Oh God, love it, love it, love it. All right, so next up, we go back to our tray alcohol inks that I've referenced at the beginning of the video. And this cup that we just looked at was the darks, and now we're going to do the lights. I'm going to tell you what they are this time because I didn't do that in the last section. I'll put it all down in the description, the darks and the lights, but this time we are going to use Island Punch and Pucker, Last Word, Superhero, and Pink Panther. So here we go. And we're back. All righty, let's see how this one turned out. Ooh, oh wow, I love it. Help or hurt if I turn these on? I realized when I was editing the video from the previous cup, there was a lot of light glare. I apologize. It speaks to how wonderful and glass-like the liquid stone is from Chaos Resin. I mean, it's gorgeous finish, but yeah, and as a result, you get a lot of glare. But look. Oh my gosh, it's like I don't know, meteors with fluffy comet trails, or meteors with tails, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Oh my gosh, it's just stunning. And the colors are much lighter, and the white shows much more clearly than in this one, where the colors are so much deeper that the white almost completely disappears. Obviously, you can see it a little bit. But oh wow, look at the difference. And yet, both are so beautiful. Both have gorgeous swirls. Oh, I'm in love with both of these. Honestly, I cannot pick a favorite. There's teal in both, so that makes me happy. There's purple in both, so that makes me happy. There's a little bit of pink in both. Red in this one. I just think that is stunning. I will try and get a better final shot of these. Maybe we will go out in the sun. But both cups make me so happy. So let me know below which one you like better. Are you a light or are you, you know, headed for the dark side here? Just gorgeous. Man, really hard pressed to pick a fave. All right, everyone, stay safe. I'll see you in the next video, but don't go away.